Hi all, good evening. Myself is Girish K. I welcome you all to HashLearn Studios. You know that in the last class we were doing the problems on probability, and at the end of the class I had given you a class practice pack of 10 questions. So before we go to that, so please do subscribe for the HashLearn. And here is the problem from the last class practice pack. They were asking you to find the probability that neither of them is alive after 10 years. So who are they? A man lives after 10 years is 1 out of 4. See, a man lives after 10 years is 1 out of 4. If he is not going to live, will be 1 minus 1 out of 4 is 3 out of 4. Wife alive for after 10 years is 1 out of 3. 1 minus 1 out of 3 is 2 out of 3. So what I am writing all these things, I am just writing the opposite of that. See, after 10 years 1 by 3 means living alive. If it is not living alive, it will be opposite 3 by 4. Not living alive, opposite is 2 by 3. So what do you need to do? Neither of them is alive. So make a note of that. Man and also his wife, they are not alive. तो क्या करना है? आपको लेना है 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. You need to take the opposite of what they are giving you. 3 by 4. This is man. Man is not alive. And this is his wife is not alive. 3 by 4, 2 by 3 cancel kar do. You'll be able to get the final answer as 1 by 2, which is reflecting in the option A, and that should be your answer. Chalo, let us go to the today's numerical problems on the probability. Dear students, you will have 45 seconds to each problem. Please try to give the right choice within that time. If you are not able to give, I'll be able to do the problems. So here is the numerical number 1 for the day. Two dice are thrown simultaneously, then the probability that the sum of the numbers which come up on the dice to be more than 5. Read the question carefully and you should be able to answer that. If two dice are thrown simultaneously, then the probability that the sum of the numbers which come up on the dice is more than 5. You know that sum should be more than 5. Sum is 6. Sum is 7. Sum is 8. Sum is 9. Sum 10. Sum 11. Sum is 12. You will have so many cases. So let us talk of sum is 6. How many cases you will have? You will have 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Sum is 6. We need the sum more than 5. More than 5. So how many cases you will have? Sum 7, 4, 3, 3, 4, 6, 1, 1, 6, 5, 2, and 2, 5. 8 is 5, 3, 3, 5, 6, 2, 2, 6, 4, 4. Then do you have anything else? 5, 3, 3, 5, 6, 2, 2, 6, and 4, 4. Sum is 9 is 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. 6, 3, and 3, 6. Then sum is 10 is only 5, 5, 6, 4, and 4, 6. 11 is only 6, 5, and 5, 6. and this fellow will be 6 6. Sum is 12. So be careful now. Your possibilities are 36. Total possibilities when you toss 2 dice, you will have 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 up to 6 1 6 2 6 3 up to 6 6. So how many cases you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. So this will give you 26. That will give you once and thrice and once and 8, 13 out of 18. 13 out of 18 is reflecting in the option A, and that should be your answer. Is that okay? Hope you all followed the steps. Make sure you write the sample space in the denominator, and whatever the event they are talking of, you write it in the numerator. That will give you the probability of a required event. Chalo, let us go to the next numerical. So next numerical is here, and very important problem on this cards. You will have total 52 cards. You know, jokers are not considered when you talk of cards. So out of 52 cards, you are drawing 2 cards, and they are asking you to find those 2 drawn cards are of ace. You know how many ace will be there in the set, in a deck of 52 cards? There will be 4 aces. Out of 52 cards, you are going to pick 2 cards, and out of those 52 cards, you will have 4 aces. Chalo, let us look into this, how to do this problem. You know that all the possibilities you need to write in the denominator what all the possibilities are. So out of 52 cards, you are picking 2 cards. C is nothing but selection. Combination is nothing but selection. Out of 52 cards, you are going to select 2 cards, that is 52C2. And how many aces are there? In a pack of 52 cards, you will have 4 aces, 2 of black color and 2 of red color. Out of those 4 aces, you are going to pick again 2 aces, because both the cards being aces, that is what they are asking you. Chalo, how to do? 4 you write 2 times in the backward direction. 52 you write in the backward direction 2 times, and 2 into 1 as it is, cancel it. So you will have 4 into 3 by 52 into 51. So this will give you 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, and 3 7s are 21. Is here. 1 by 2 to 1, that is your answer. 1 by 2 to 1, option D, and that should be your answer. So what you need to do? Write the sample space in the denominator, and what the event they are talking of, write it in the numerator. So make sure when you select or pick from n items, you are selecting certain particular items, you need to take NC2. So there were 2 cards, you are selecting 2 cards, that is 52C2. 4 aces, you are selecting 2 cards of ace, both ace, 4C2. Okay, hope you all followed the problem. So now let us go to the next one, and next problem is here. Very important problem. Let me see how many of them are going to give the right choice. Your time is up, and let's see. You need to write all possibilities in the denominator. And here you need to write event. So what are all the possibilities? There are 12 balls, and there are 3 box 1, box 2, and this is your box number 3. See what I'll do. I'll take one ball. That ball I can put it in box 1 or box 2 or box 3. Box 1, box 2 or box 3. 3 ways. Second ball I am going to pick 3 ways. Third ball I am going to pick 3 ways. Fourth goes on up to, this is 12 times. Because 12 balls are there, that will be 12 times. I can fix the first ball in 3 ways. Either I can put it in box 1 or box 2 or box 3. Second ball also in 3 ways. Third ball also 3 ways. Fourth ball also 3 ways. 12th ball is also 3 ways. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? यहाँ पे लिखना है 3 to the power 12. 3 to the power 12. चलो, let us come to the event. What they are talking of? Then the probability that one of the boxes contains exactly 3 balls. Okay. Now आपको क्या करना है? Out of 12 balls, okay, a box should contain 3 balls. One of the box contains exactly 3 balls. So out of 12 balls, you will select 3. That is 12C3. And how many balls are left when you select 3? 12 minus 3 is 9. So 9 balls are left out. So those 9 balls, I need to place them in the other 2. So how will you do that? I can place the remaining 9 balls. I'll pick one. I will place in 2 ways. Second ball 2 ways. Third ball 2 ways. So this will be 9 times because 9 balls are left out. So what does that will become? This is 12C3 into 2 to the power 9. 12C3 into 2 to the power 9. If you simplify, you will be able to get the final answer. चलो यहाँ पे simplify करेंगे अभी. 12C3 बोले तो 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, 3 to the power 12, and this is 2 to the power 9. Okay, so what all you can cancel here? You can cancel, you can look at the options. If you cancel this part, 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. So that will give you 11 into 2 is 22 into 10 into 2 to the power 9 divided by 3 to the power 12. So this you can write it as 11 into 2 is 10. You know that if I multiply this is 11, 22, that is 2 into 11 if I write. This is 2 into 11 into 10 into 2 to the power 9 divided by 3 to the power 12 if I write like this. Okay, so you can look at the options. If you look at the options, you have this is 3 to the power 12, 2 to the power 9. You are observing 55 here, and we want 2 to the power 9. You are having 2 to the power here one option, and you have here one option. So how to balance it? If you want to balance, you can bring it in the form of 55. तो चलो यहाँ पे क्या कर देंगे, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. करने के बाद ये हो गया 5, 11 5s are 55. So 11 5s are 55. ये हो गया 2 to the power 9, 10 11. ये हो गया 3 into 2 to the power 11. तो finally answer you will get 55 by 3, 2 by 3, power 11. Arrange as per the given options. तो आपको क्या करना है? Whatever the numbers you have got, just rearrange and bring it in the form of the option what it is visible. So hope you followed the last part, that is simplification part. It's very simple. only you need to look at the options and rearrange the terms. So why I took 22 as 11 into 2? Very simple. When I take 11, I can split 10 and write it as 5 into 2. So 11 into 5, 55 will come. 55 is visible in the option. That is why we need to simplify by splitting the numbers. 22 को split करो 2 into 11, 10 को split करो 2 into 5, and you will be able to get the answer. Yeah, fine. Hope you all followed the problem. Let us go to the next question. Next question is the previous class contest question. No winner. No winner. तो क्या करना है आपको? I'll give you the hint how to do the problem. So the 3 critics review a book independently. Odds in favor of the book are, okay, odds in the favor book are, this is critic number 1. Odds in favor बोले तो 5 plus 2 7, so 5 out of 7. Probability of that is C1. Probability of critics number 2 reviewing is 4 out of 7. Probability that critic number 3 reviewing is 3 out of 7. So 4 plus 3 7, that should be in the denominator. 3 plus 4 is 7, that should be in the denominator, and numerator will be what? The favor. Favor means first one. If it is against, you need to take the second one. Okay, the probability that the majority are in the favor of the book. Yeah, this part is very important. Majority. What is the meaning of majority? Majority means there are 3 critics. There are 3 critics. Majority is nothing but 2:1 is majority. 3, all the 3, that is called as majority. Means majority means the number should be more which are obeying the review. So let me write it clearly. So probability C1, C2, probability of C1, probability of C2, probability of C3 dash. These 2 are obeying with favor and C is not obeying. Here there is a majority because of C1 and C2, 2 are included. Next, probability of C1, probability of C2 bar probability of C3. Here again there is a majority. Number 1 and number 3 are obeying, they are in favor, and the second one, middle one, is not in the favor. So probability C1 bar, probability of C2, probability of C3, probability of C1, probability of C2, probability of C3. So what do you need to do now? C1 is 5 by 7, C2 is 4 by 7, C3 is bar, opposite. 3 by 7 minus 1 is 4 by 7, C1 is 5 by 7, this is 5 by 7, C2 is 4 by 7 is opposite, that will give you 3 by 7, and this is 3 by 7. This part will give you C1 bar, that will give you 2 by 7 plus 4 by into 4 by 7 into 3 by 7, and these 3 are majority is nothing but 5 by 7, 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. Just you do the simplification. In the denominator you will have 343, and numerator just you multiply and add them, you will be able to get the final answer. Is that okay, guys? Hope you followed the problem. Majority means where the number who are in favor should be more out of 3. If all the 3 are in favor, that is called as majority. Out of 3, if 2 are in favor and 1 is not in favor, that is also majority. Majority of them are in favor. So try to consider those cases and get the result. So now, okay then. So let us go to the next question. Next question will be your today's contest question. Guys, you will have for 60 seconds. Try to give the right choice within that time so that you will be able to win an autumn session where you can clarify all your doubts. And here is the problem for the day. More seconds. Time up. And winner will be announced only in the next class. So let us go to the next one. Numerical 5. And what is the answer? Be careful. What they are asking here is not true. Not true. Very good. Thank you, Santosh Dheeraj. Come on, hurry up. What is your answer for numerical 5? Chalo, your time is up and let's see how to do this problem. See, 2 fair 6 face ties are thrown simultaneously. Event is see, probability of event 1. Okay, a dice shows 4. A die will have 6 cases. Okay, so out of 6, 4 will be in only one case. So 1 out of 6. 4, it will show 4 in only one case. And probability of an event 2, again, that is you are throwing a die and it shows up to number 2 out of 6 faces. There will be only one face which has 2. So there will be only one face which has 2. So that is your probability event 2. E3 is the event. Make a note. I will write it as the face is 4. This is your face 4 and the face is showing 2. I am writing F4 and F2. You will have only one cases. That is what. And E3 is the event that the sum of the numbers on the board dice is odd. So probability of E3 that the sum of the E3 is the event sum is odd. So आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ता है? You need to consider the cases. If you want to consider those cases, make sure you will get odd when you take 1 1, no, 1 2, yes, 1 3, no, 1 4, yes, 1 5, no, 1 6, yes, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, no, 4 5 and 4 6, 5 1, no, 5 2, 5 3, no, 5 4, yes, 5 5, no, 5 6, yes, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, no, 6 5, yes, 6 6, no. So you need to choose that where you will have add the numbers on the faces so that it should give you odd. So I have written all the cases where you are going to get the odd numbers 1 plus 2 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7. If I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 into 3 is 18. By 36 is nothing but 1 out of 2. So you will have 1 out of 2 cases. So what they are talking of? E1 and E2 are independent. Yeah, absolutely right. The reason behind that is, it is number 4 is appearing and this is number 2 is appearing. So number 4 appearing will not at all disturb number 2. So E1 and E2 are independent, absolutely. Okay. And E2 and E3 are independent. Yeah, absolutely. The reason is very simple. You know that here 2 is there and the 1 is not the 4. It should give you an odd number. This is also independent. This is also the independent. This is the one you should select. Not true. This is the one which is not true, which is very simple. Here you can see E1, E2, E3 are they independent. So here E3, he is talking of independent. No, when he says E3 is independent, because E3 you can observe here, E1, E2, E1 is giving you 4, E2 is giving you face as 2, 4 plus 2 will be 6, 4 plus 2 will be 6. When you take E1 and E2, the result will be E1, which is an E1. So therefore the false statement is option D. Yes, Santosh, you know that when you take option D, E1 and E2 will give you 4 plus 2 as 6. But that should be odd. But we are getting it as even, and that is where it is going to fail, and that is the statement is not true. Okay, chalo. Let us go to the next one. And here is the problem. A determinant is chosen at random from the set of all determinants of order 2 with elements 0 and 1, 0 to 1 only. The probability that the value of the determinant chosen is positive. Okay, your time is up, and let me take you to the problem here. I'll make use of this space. Okay, anyway, I will use this. See here, I will write one by one. See, I need to make a determinant of order 2, means you will have 2 rows and 2 columns, and you need to use 0 and 1. 0, 1. If I use 0, this is 1. If I use 1 everywhere, okay, I'm writing all the possibilities first. So I'm using 4 zeros, 1 determinant, and 4 ones, 1 determinant. Keep it aside. Then I will use 1 0, 1 0 and 3 ones. I'm using 1 0 and 3 ones. So what are the ways I can write? Okay, using 1 0 and 3 ones, I can write so many possibilities. After that, now I am going to use 2 zeros and 2 ones. 2 zeros and 2 ones. Okay, so I am using 2 zeros and 2 ones. So 1 0, 3 ones, 2 0, 2 ones. Now I am going to use next 3 zeros and 1. 3 zeros and 1 1. Three zeros and 1 1. Okay, and 4 zeros and 4 ones I am already used. Chalo count karo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So what is the sample space? Sample space is nothing but 16. Sample space is 16. All the possibilities you need to write. So I am making all the possibilities clearly. 16 cases you will have. Now what you need to do? Chosen probability should be positive. Determinant should give you positive value. You know how to solve the determinant? Cross multiply this into this minus this into this. This will give you 0. This will give you 0. Determinant आना चाहिए हमें positive number. चलो इसको check करो, ये negative आएगा. इसको check करो, ये positive value देगा. 1 into 1, that will give you positive. I will use a different color and mark it. So this will give you positive value. Yeah, ये negative, ये positive, ये 0 0 0 0, and this is 0, and this is going to give you positive value. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this also will be 0. So you will have totally 3 cases. So your final answer 3 out of 16 cases, and which is visible in option C, and that is your answer. Hope you all followed, guys. Take time, understand the question and write all the possibilities. Write all the possibilities. Once you write, all the possibilities should be in the denominator, and whatever the event they are talking of, and write it in the numerator, and that will give you the final answer. Okay, chalo, let us go to the next. Next one is here, numerical number 7, and let us see how many of them are going to give the right choice. IIT. I is the first letter, second letter is also I, and the third one is also not I, it is T. Okay, your time is up, and let us see now how to do this problem. Okay, so chalo. There are 20 cards. Okay, so 20 cards. I'll write this as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is 10. So 10 of these cards are I. It is printed I, and this is T. Okay, yeah, printed T on them. If you pick 3 cards at random and keep them in the same order, the probability of making the word IIT. So 10 of these cards have printed, the other 10 have letters printed. If you pick up 3 cards at random and keep them in the same order, the probability of making the word IIT. Okay, so in the order you need to take. So what is the probability of getting I and T? Chalo, let us take the first case, first blank. यहाँ पे कितना cards है? You have total 20 cards. With that 20 cards, you need to pick I, because the first letter should be I. How many I's are there? So 10 I's are there. You are picking up. So you are filling I in the first blank. Okay, you have done it. Then choose the second one. यहाँ पे I को निकाल दिए हो. You have taken I. तो बचा हुआ cards है 19. You have picked one of the eye out of 10, so you are left with how many? 9 eyes. Total number of cards 19, so how many are left? 9 are left. Okay, now let us come to the next T. So you have picked already 2 cards, you will be left with total 18 cards. T का कितना है? T cards we have not utilized T still, so you will have 10 T's, so choose them and simplify, you will be able to get the answer. चलो इसको simplify करेंगे. यहाँ पे 0 0 cancels, then this will give you 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 9 1s are 9 2s are 18, that is going to give you 5 by 19 into 2 is 38. यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है ऑप्शन में, and that should be your answer. So remember guys, sample space in the first case, first blank choose करते हैं ना, वहां पे 20 cards है totally, आपको choose करना है I. So there are 10 eyes, so you are going to choose 10, one among the 10, that is 10 cards you can choose I. बाद में when you go for the second step में already you have chosen one card, तो 19 बचा है, 19 में 9 eyes है, तो इसलिए second case में 9 होगा. We need to choose I there in the second case, and the third case में बचा हुआ कार्ड है 18, so sample space में 18 होगा. Then we need T, we have not utilized T yet, तो इसलिए total 10 cards are there who has T on them, so 10 will be the numerator. Simplify, that should give you the answer. Hope you all followed the problem. Is that okay? Fine then. So that was the summary of the class. We covered the problems on probability, and now it is the time for class practice pack. I have given you 10 questions which are very very important from the concepts what I have taught you today, and your CPP is unlocked and is available to solve immediately for all the passport members. Non-passport members, your CPP is locked. To unlock, you need to subscribe for the passport. That will give you access to CPPs. And also, if you subscribe to passport, you will also get access to 24/7 1-to-1 doubt solving session. And also, you will get access to practice questions and tests from best-selling books. And also, you will get access to all the video classes covering the toughest concepts and problems. So please do subscribe for the passport. And thanks for joining us again. Good night.